Portolan charts mark the giant leap forward in medieval navigation, but how they were created remains a mystery. We don't have written.
Can you put your seat down and crack my neck? I mean, you don't really have to crack my neck. I just want you to do something. Please, put your seat down.
In relation to one another, I think we've lost a lot of the information.
You gotta promise you're gonna do this for me.
In 2018, there's a breakthrough. Renowned mathematician and butterfly enthusiast
All you gotta do is move my head.
makes a radical connection between the Portolan charts and a seemingly unrelated.
Try that again?
phenomenon.
No.
Please?
No.
Please.
Track the differences in the spots on butterfly wings across the Alps in a method called morphometrics.
Tesla, a chemical
I'm not
engineer,
doing that again.
is also a passionate amateur lepidopterist.
It's a noodle.
And he's studying the
It's a
evolution
noodle?
of
Yeah.
relationships among
There's a
many
thing on the
fossilized
video where you take a
species
video of
in the
doing that.
French Alps.
I'm ready to
Using
right here.
software